weather, we are operating with a reduced staff, and your hold time may be longer than usual.
Thanks for calling Canon Customer Support. We may record this call for quality assurance. I'm going to ask you a few questions so I can connect you to the right representative. You can just say your answers. Okay, let's begin. Which of these best describes what you're calling about? When you hear the one you want, just say it. For help with a product you already own, including technical support, say technical support. For help with a repair. Okay, in order to direct your call correctly, I will need the exact name of the product you are calling about. The product name can be found on the front or top panel of the product. For example, Pixma MX432, PowerShot SX740, Rebel
Pixma
T8.
TS 3122 printer.
Which do you use this product with, Microsoft Windows or Apple Macintosh?
Microsoft Windows.
Okay, got it. Just a moment.
Thank you for choosing Canon. This is Jessica speaking. How may I help you today?
How you doing there today, Jessica? Happy New Year.
Me too. Thanks for, how can I help you today?
I have a new printer that I just picked up. It's a TS3122. I am trying to connect it to my laptop, but the software, it's giving me a pop-up every time I try to start it up. It says that it's not compatible with my my OS.
What model printer is it one more time?
That's a TS3122 Pixma.
What operating system are you running?
Windows 8.
Yeah, that one you have to upgrade to Windows 8.1. I have no idea why they do that, but
Really?
it's Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and Windows 7. I have no idea why it's not compatible with 8.
That's insane.
I think it's something to do with Microsoft, because Microsoft was trying, you know, Microsoft, they like to push people into upgrading their operating systems even though they don't want to.
Okay,
And I
exactly.
think there was something, there was something with Windows 8 that they forced everyone to upgrade to 8.1 to fix some issues or whatever. So
Yeah, that's the thing with this laptop. I tried doing the 8.1 about a year ago, and it made my laptop kind of useless. It slowed it down and took out a lot of options that I actually needed. Let me ask you a question. Is it possible to use this printer with like a third-party software?
I mean, you could try it. I have no idea. I mean, you probably won't get all the features out of it, but you could try plugging it in with a USB cable and see if it'll at least print.
Yeah, that's.
But I mean, it's hit or miss with these things. So, but I ever since they came out with 8.1, and 10, they are extremely heavy applications. A lot of people who have upgraded older computers with the newer software have had problems with it.
Right.
It's almost like you got to buy new or build your own. So, but yeah, they take those operating systems for whatever reason just take up a huge amount of resources on their computers nowadays.
Okay, so this is all right. So this is with this software. I mean, even if because I don't have a cable with it right now. I mean, I just have the wireless. But if I did pick up a cable, you're saying I would still have the same issue?
You might. You could try if it's connected to your Wi-Fi and you want to try to go into the devices and printers and add the printer itself.
I actually did, but it still wouldn't print. That's the thing. That's why I'm wondering if the same software is actually required for it to print from this. Because when I use it on my iPad, it actually does work. But
it's supported by that. But
right.
So,
but I have a feeling if this is the case, then I think I'm gonna have to return this thing because I really can't start upgrading a computer just to get the printer to work. You know, it's insane.
You said you had Windows 8, correct?
Yes.
Let me see what I have that might be comparable to that printer that you could pick up at your local retailer.
Okay.
and just exchange it. That way, at least if you want to stick with a Canon product, then
Well,
you see my
believe it or
Canon
not,
find one for you.
I just picked up this printer because my last printer, which was the MG3500, that one just stopped working right on New Year's Eve, and and it had like an error code. I think it was like B203 or something like that. Like I have to call it in or whatever. And I'm just like, oh, this is a $30 printer. I might as well just go pick up another. And they didn't have that model, so I just picked up the TS 3122. But I get, this is giving me even more problems. So
yeah, no, I understand.
yeah.
All right, so you picked it up at Walmart, you said?
Yes, I did.
They may have the 3620, which I know is compatible with the Windows 8.
Okay.
I mean, because I'm looking at our website here where I have all my all-in-one printers. So I know the 3620 is compatible with Windows 8. I'm not half wondering if they decided to make all the TS series printers compatible with 8.1, 8.17, and 10 for whatever reason. Yeah, it looks like everyone else is 8.1. I think the 3520 and the 3620, because I see, like I said, I see the 3620 on our Canon on our sale. I'm looking at our sale website.
Now, is that the MG? Or,
yeah, MG3620.
Yeah, that's actually the other one that I have. That's the black one, right?
Yeah. Well, yeah. But that one I know for sure is compatible with Windows 8.
Yeah, because it's been working right up until it stopped at the end of the year. The one that I have, yeah. Because usually it would just start up and make a bunch of noises and then it'll be ready to go. And now when I turn it on, it doesn't say anything. It just gives me like an error code. And yeah, so that's why I went and picked up the other one. But yeah, I have a feeling I'm just gonna have to return this one. But thank you for your help, and at least I know I'm not alone with this problem. I thought perhaps it was my computer because I just spent the last 2 days resetting it to factory specs, and that didn't help at all.
Oh no, I've been there. Believe me, between my husband and I, we both do computers. He's an engineer and works for the Navy, and I have a background in computers too.
Oh, wow.
So, believe me, everything you folks go through, we get to go through too on our end. So.
Yeah.
Completely understand. Well, I mean, if you're at Walmart and they do have the 3620, like I said, that I know for sure will work with Windows 8. We do have it on our Canon website for $50, and it looks like they're giving away photo paper too. So, if you want to get something that'll work.
Yeah, I'll go return it tomorrow, and then I'll see what they have on the shelf, and I guess I'll just go from there. But thank you for your help, and you have a great weekend. Thank you so much.
You too. Sure. Thanks for choosing Canon.
All right.
Bye-bye.